Hey everyone, Scott Smith with the Smith team at Keller Williams. Happy Friday. I'm actually coming to you from a National Real Estate Conference where I've got some great information to share with you about what is going on in today's market and looking ahead and what we can expect. So I've got some slides to share with you and just wanted to give you the straight scoop from the information that I got. Relates to mortgage rates, the housing supply demand, and then also pricing and the opportunities that lie ahead. So touch on a couple points for you. Just to put it in perspective, the 30-year fixed rate mortgage rates doubled last year. But the good news is that since November, those rates have been coming down quite a bit. So we're starting to see more stabilization in the mortgage arena. And with that, that's going to certainly point to more affordability for home buyers. And that's what we're looking for. So the Fed wanted to slow down the interest rates or slow down the real estate market, and they certainly did that over the fourth quarter of 2022. And as we're looking into 2023, we're going to see the more of a stabilization in the market and getting back to more what many agents are considering a normal market conditions. So that's certainly some good news. And then with that, just a perspective where you can see where the lower interest rate mortgage environment that we had been in and kind of what they're projecting. So we saw everything spike up at the end of the second half of 2022, and now we're seeing things come back to where they actually had predicted where interest rates we'd finished 2022 was going to be in the upper fives, and we're just above that in the low 6% range, which historically speaking, anyone that owned a home in the 80s and the 90s, those rates are actually lower than what we experienced for those 2 decades. So certainly some good information right there. One thing that in the conference that we've learned a lot about is having good information obviously gives you an opportunity to make good decisions. And as an experienced agent, we've got an opportunity to have that good information and guide our clients with it. Where we've seen a lot of newer agents that got into the business over the last 2, 3, 4 years, they've never experienced a shifting market like we've got. So we have the experience certainly to help our clients navigate what that looks like and making sure that they've got the good information and to make some of those quality decisions with that. Lawrence Yun, the chief economist for the National Association of Realtors, the upcoming months should see a return of buyers as mortgage rates appear to have already peaked and have been coming down since mid-November. I did share that what we see in the Twin Cities and upper Midwest is we see some seasonality with the changing weather. So every year we've been through it. I've been through it in 25 plus years of real estate where we get some slowdown in the November, December, January months, and then we get into the spring market in February, March, April, and May, and then as we get into the summer months, it tends to settle down a little bit more. So we're used to some of those changes, the ups and downs, the peaks and the valleys on a smaller scale. So it really isn't anything for new to us, but again, just being able to help our clients navigate that from what they're hearing on a national level to where we are today. One interesting quote that we heard today was from David Stevens, former Assistant Secretary of Housing. What we're looking at ahead is they're expecting that this is going to be a long-term opportunity, a unique buying opportunity where we haven't seen it in an extended several weeks or months is a buying opportunity where the market will shift into more of a buyer's market versus a seller's market that we've experienced for not just the last 2-3 years, but it's been really for more like 5 or 6 years. And so with that, there's going to be a unique opportunity for the people that want to take advantage of it or maybe been holding back on making a move. We're expecting we're going to see this for the first half of 2023. So there's going to be a great opportunity there to take advantage of the rates that are declining and more of a balanced and stabilized real estate market in the Twin Cities. What they shared with us for home prices, wish we had that green grass in Minnesota, but we don't, unfortunately. With home prices, we are expecting, these are all the experts, and you can see it's across the board. So what we heard was that the consistency is there is no consistency. There's many differing opinions from Zelman on the far right, where we're going to see a significant decline across the country, to Realtor.com, where they're expecting that we're going to see more modest increases. But I think all in all, just what we see, all real estate is local. And in the Twin Cities, we are still seeing multiple offers. we're going to expect to see modest increases for 2023. We'll probably see the 3, 4, 5% range, which is still good, not going the other direction, but definitely some more competitive pricing. We can't put a home on the market if it's not in good condition and ask a premium price. So those homes that are in premium condition are going to command a premium price like they do in any market. But with that, we're going to expect to see some more competitive pricing, and that's where experience comes into play. Those agents that haven't been through a market like this, making sure that they're getting good information for their clients, and unfortunately, a lot of them haven't been through this, so they don't know what to expect with it. Active listing inventory, so we're seeing the inventory increase. So again, that's helping the market stabilize, and it also gives the buyers and sellers, for that matter, an opportunity to take advantage of and catch their breath in going into a real estate transaction where homes aren't selling in a matter of minutes or hours. There's going to be more days and weeks, certainly not months, but days and weeks. It gives more of an opportunity for those people to have more of a selection of what they want, and they don't have to make a quick knee-jerk reaction and buy a home that maybe isn't a good fit for them. So again, just wanted to share with you what we've got from an opportunity standpoint in the real estate market. Again, all real estate is local, and more importantly, as we're going into a shifting market, to have good real estate information on your side and helping our clients navigate what that looks like as we go into 2023. So certainly reach out to us if we can be of assistance to you or anyone you know. We've got a goal to help, again, over 100 families in our marketplace with their real estate needs. So certainly reach out to us. We depend on you and your referrals and your connections to introduce us to people that could certainly use our help. Reach out to us at 651-777-3434, and we'll be happy to help you. Thanks. Have a great day.